Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to connect an Xbox controller to your Google Pixel using Bluetooth. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. If you have an old Xbox controller, this might not work if it doesn't have Bluetooth, but we can still try. And if it doesn't work, you could try with a USB-C cable instead. First, make sure that your controller is not currently paired with another active device, such as your Xbox. You could make sure your Xbox is fully powered off and disconnected first. Next, make sure your Xbox controller has battery power or is connected to a power source with a cable. To get connected, open the settings on your device and tap on Connected Devices. Next, choose Pair New Device and your phone will start searching for the controller, so we need to get it into pairing mode. Power on your controller with the Xbox button, and then press and hold the pair button on the controller for a few seconds. This is the small circle button next to the charging port. The Xbox light should start flashing, and if you look on your phone after a few seconds in the Available Devices section, you should see Xbox Wireless Controller. Tap on it and then a message should show up and you need to tap on Pair. It should now connect, and if you tap on it from within this section of the settings, make sure that Input Device is turned on. This is also where you can disconnect or forget the device if you wanted to. You can now try it out, and you should even be able to navigate the settings just using the controller. That's how to connect an Xbox controller to your Google Pixel using Bluetooth. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Google Pixel. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.